Welcome to our video on evaluating Forex prop trading firms. If you're a Forex trader looking to join a prop trading firm, it's essential to do your research and find the right fit for your trading goals. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to evaluate a prop trading firm's performance, so you can make an informed decision and find the perfect match for your trading style. Before we dive into the evaluation process, let's first define what prop trading is and why it might be a good fit for your trading goals. Prop trading, or proprietary trading, is a trading model where a firm provides capital to traders who trade the firm's money. In return, the traders receive a share of the profits they generate. Prop trading firms offer traders access to significant capital, advanced trading tools, and sophisticated trading strategies that individual traders may not have on their own. However, not all prop trading firms are created equal. The quality of the trading firm you choose can significantly impact your trading success. Evaluating a prop trading firm's performance is crucial to finding the right fit for your trading goals. Here are some essential steps to take when evaluating a Forex prop trading firm. Step 1. Research the firm's track record. Before you join a prop trading firm, it's essential to research its performance history. Look for information on the firm's website or through third-party sources, such as financial news websites, to find out how long the firm has been in business and its trading results. You can also research the firm's regulatory status and any disciplinary actions taken against it by regulatory bodies. Step 2. Evaluate the firm's trading strategy. Every prop trading firm has its own trading strategy. Evaluate the firm's trading strategy to determine if it aligns with your trading goals and style. Look for information on the types of markets and instruments the firm trades, the risk management strategies it employs, and the performance of its trading systems. Step 3. Analyze the firm's risk management procedures. Prop trading involves taking risks, but it's essential to ensure the firm you choose has adequate risk management procedures in place. Evaluate the firm's risk management procedures to determine if they align with your risk tolerance. Look for information on how the firm manages risk, how it measures risk, and what happens if a trader exceeds risk limits. Step 4. Consider the firm's fees and profit-sharing arrangements. Prop trading firms often charge traders fees for their services, and they also have profit-sharing arrangements. Evaluate the firm's fee structure and profit-sharing arrangements to determine if they align with your financial goals. Look for information on the fees charged, profit-sharing percentages, and any other financial arrangements the firm has. Step 5. Assess the firm's training and support. Finally, consider the firm's training and support programs. Prop trading firms often offer traders training and support to help them succeed. Evaluate the firm's training programs to determine if they align with your trading goals and style. Look for information on the types of training offered, the support provided, and the resources available to traders.